Hi guys, I hope you're doing well and everything is good with you. My name is T and today I'm going to be taking a look at MiniBrands Fill the Fridge. I bought this playset at Walmart for $19.99. There are also Fill the Fridge capsules that are $7.97 a piece, and I will be unboxing those in another video. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the packaging. Right there, MiniBrands Fill the Fridge, exclusive, create minis included. Okay, let's see. This refrigerator has an LED and UV light. That is going to be fun. That's awesome. It comes with 3 batteries, so it will work from the time you open it up. So that's great. Fridge really lights up. Fridge doors really open. Decorate with real fridge magnets on the side there. And here's the back. And it just lets us know 1 fridge, 2 exclusive mini minis, 1 ice scoop, 1 fridge magnet. This is really cool. And which is even cooler is collect and create a whole magic kitchen. So I'm really excited that eventually we will have a MiniBrands kitchen. So that is really cool. Yeah, I'm going to open this up and be right back. I struggled a bit taking off the protective film that covers the fridge, but nevertheless, I did unwrap it, and so we have it here. It is a very cool retro style fridge in a bright aqua color. I will just spin it around like this. And here is the back. And if we look closer on the back, this white spot here is where the batteries go in. And this little switch right here, let's see, I believe that is going to control whether it's on just the light or the UV. So let me turn it back around and let's open it up. Oh, wow. Okay, here we go. The top of the freezer opens up and there are a couple packages inside. There are also some instructions. There is a MiniBrands pamphlet, which I will show right here if it will focus. Shows you what your refrigerator can look like fully stocked. Shows some more of those. It talks about the LED light. It talks about the UV light. And it shows what it includes and shows what's coming down the line. The top of the refrigerator also has a clear plastic shelf that goes in right down here. And I'm going to open up the bottom. The bottom has these shelves here. It has 2 smaller shelves. There's one here and one there. And there are 2 other clear shelves. There are 3 packages that came out of the top, and I'm going to open those up. I'm going to start with the big package because I believe that is going to have the other shelving for the refrigerator. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to cut it. All right, so the first thing we have here is an egg holder. There's also a clear rounded shelf. There are actually two of those. There is a clear flat sheet. There are two of those. And there is this one that has a rounded edge there. So let's see. It shows you where in the instructions where to put the sheets. And let's see. This one here with the little square indicators goes on the top, and the other two flat ones go underneath it. So I'm going to put those in right now. This one goes here. This one goes there. Oh, and my refrigerator is not, it's not crooked. My my diorama is crooked underneath there. It's not quite on a flat surface. Okay, where is the other? Oh, here it is. Here's the other flat, clear part that goes there. So that goes there. And then, let's see. Going to put this particular one here. Wait, no, it's this one. It is actually this one. It is going to go in the door. Looks like it goes right here. It just, if you put it in, put it at the top, then slide it down, it fits right inside. Then after that, there are, number 3 is to put in this one. Am I putting it in right? Yes, just slides right there. After that, I'm going to put in the other rounded tray. Why is it not fitting? Where's the egg one? Let me check. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3. Oh, you know what? I'm putting them in backwards. That's why they're not fitting. The rounded part goes towards the refrigerator, which would make sense because it is rounded there. Also, this one goes in, the rounded edge goes towards the back of the fridge. And lastly, at the top, the egg, this one right here for the eggs, goes in, and the rounded edge goes towards the inside of the fridge. And so here we go. We have a very detailed looking fridge. So there we go. A very detailed, realistic looking fridge. Yeah, it looks really nice. I'm going to open up the 2 packages that come with it. The first one has 2 things in it. It has a ice scoop, a silver ice scoop. Oops. We will put that actually in the freezer. That's going to be down here. Use this, put the scoop in there. And it comes with a strawberry vanilla Olipop soda. Okay, there you are. And the Olipop soda looks like it is the perfect size for Barbie. It's 1/6 scale. I'm dropping everything today. I'm gonna stick the Olipop soda right in here and open up the last bag. Okay, this is the the resin craft. There's a little silicone mold. What looks like the top. What looks like will be the top of the top of this. Because here's the little plate. Then there's the top that would go on there. Can't even see it. This is what it looks like. Okay, so we have that. There is MiniBrands jelly glue. And in here we have a pair of tongs. And there are 3 little slices of, I believe these are little mandarin oranges, because the little craft, I believe, is going to be a jelly mold. And I'm going to do that after I read the instructions. The little craft is very easy. Here is the directions. Put a little of the jelly glue inside the silicone mold. Add a couple, not a couple, there's only 3 to begin with. Add the little orange slices. Put in more of the jelly glue. Turn the refrigerator on UV 20 to 25 minutes in the fridge. Oopsie. And then you will have a jelly mold. So let's do that really quickly. Here's the jelly mold. Let's open this up. So there's the jelly mold in it. Oh, it did come with that. I just have to take this off. Okay, let's take this off. Put on this there. Squeeze some of that in. Use the tweezers. Well, just lost one of the mandarin oranges and I'm not gonna look for it. So mine will just have 2. I have no idea where that went. I will try to position it a little bit. So I have 2 of the mandarin oranges in the mold. I'm gonna fill the rest of the mold up with the jelly glue. Trying to make it even. So this is how that looks. And I am going to turn the fridge on to UV, which is down. Turn it around. And if you see, it has the UV light. I'm going to stick it in that little square and leave it there for 25 minutes. Okay, it's time to take the Jell-O out of the fridge. It has been 25 minutes. Oh, you stay right there. Okay, let me grab it out, close it, and turn the UV off. And you try to stay right there. So here is the mold. Let's pop it out. There it is. Let's put it on the plate. And there we are. And we'll put that right in there. Okay, so we've started to fill our fridge, but it's got a lot more space to fill. So all in all, I'm loving this fridge. I can't wait to open the Fill the Fridge capsules and fill the fridge with lots of fun mini foods. The size of it is a little bit short, but fridges do come in all different sizes. It could be fixed by just stacking it on top of some foam board to lift it up a little bit, because this is it next to a Barbie, which I guess is fine, but if it is next to a Ken doll, it is really pretty short. So yeah, it could be making it higher might be good. So it just depends on how you like it. I will probably build a little platform on the bottom of mine so that it will be about maybe half an inch taller or so. So yeah, that is the MiniBrands Fill the Fridge. So what do you think? Are you going to add this to your collection? Like, comment, and subscribe if you feel so inclined, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Is that the last soda? Yep, I guess it's time to fill the fridge.